Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to clear the cache of a particular website on Chrome app. So right now this is the website that I want to clear the cache. So in order to clear, what I can do is I can tap on this three dot option, go to settings, and within settings I can scroll down to site settings, and in this site setting, if I scroll to extreme bottom, I have this data stored, and here you can see currently the BrowserHow is occupying 52 kilobytes of data. I can just tap on it and then hit on this trash icon here, which will sign out of my data and delete any offline and even everything related to BrowserHow. And I can also choose to delete the data and reset the permissions here. Once it is done, you can see there is no data occupied by BrowserHow. Now if I go back to BrowserHow and refresh it, it will download and fetch the new files, and any changes made on these sites will be removed. So in this way you can clear cache as well as view the browser cache data for a particular site on your Chrome app on Android phone. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.